Okay, CritterZone just got an award at SuperZoo for its best new product. So let's hear from the inventor, Bill. Tell us about your product, what it does.
CritterZone is the next generation of air purification devices. I've been in the business for about 30 years making big air purifiers, and finally I've made one that is small, affordable, and more than that, it really does something that other purifiers don't do. Very simple concept. As you know, outdoor air cleans itself. Always does. Doesn't matter. Skunk dies and odor goes away. How does it go away? Indoor air doesn't clean itself. And the difference is outdoor air has got energy in it. Indoor air is stale, has no energy. And so the concept is, rather than trying to remove something from the air like a filter, or try to put some specific thing in it to cover up the odor, or to break it down like we used to do, what we decided to do is let's just see if we can energize the air again. And so this little device, as you can see, covers about 800 square feet. And as you can see, there's no big fan in it. There's nothing there to move a lot of air. What we do is we pull a little bit of air in the front, and we run it through an extremely strong plasma back here, which essentially rips the air apart. So if there's moisture in the air, or if there's cat urine in the air, or whatever's in the air, it pulls it apart and charges it up and re-energizes it. So that then in water molecule, for example, you're going to get not H2 but H. Now that H is looking to combine with something, and it'll look around and float out in the air until it comes on a hydrocarbon. It'll change it. It'll react chemically, and so you have a whole bunch of reactions going on, just like outdoors, but it's totally destroying the chemicals that are in the air. And if you can destroy a chemical that makes an odor, you've taken out the odor. Now the other thing it does is it remixes back with the moisture and coats surfaces and kills bacteria, kills mold, kills basically all of the other kinds of things that are floating around in the air that are associated with pets. And the final thing it does, because we've got a massive stream of ionization here, it's charging up the little particles that are out there.